We're getting a call.
Hello? No, I'm not interested in a bank loan. Oh, sorry, this is. Do
You aren't interested in a bank loan.
I can't afford. Shut up 1 second. Okay, listen. The people from Sony are calling.
What?
Yeah.
Us?
Yeah. You want us to interview the biggest girl group in India ever and possibly all over the world?
Shut up.
Yeah.
Wish.
Really?
Us.
Us?
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Can I?
Yeah.
Hello?
Can't
Yeah. Okay, they're right in front of us. Okay. Hi guys. Only
Here we
one
are.
of us is a trained actor.
That was
not me.
well done.
It's not me.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Too cute, guys.
I'm Naina Bhan.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani
And we are here with the girls of Wish. Fangirl moment for us.
We're so excited to be here. I don't know if we're playing it cool, but we're huge fans. We've been following y'all since y'all came on the scene. Y'all are still babies. Y'all
Yeah.
only came on like 2 months, ago now.
It's almost 2 months.
How has it been though?
It's been crazy. I guess we didn't really expect the kind of crazy it has been, but it's all good. Hectic, love from people. It's just been great overall.
Yeah, we've always seen like crazy paparazzi energy in like the UK and America, but we've finally seen a little bit of like that fangirl energy that we've been searching for here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
we
you-
finally have our songs out, but we've been working on this project since 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we've been waiting. For
Hiding.
What were you guys doing for 2 years? Take us through the process a little bit.
Preps and preps.
It was honestly, it was like kind of up and down. It was like also the figuring out aspect of is this gonna happen? Are we gonna get a deal? Are we have to make songs? We have to have a product to kind of pitch and showcase. So it was a lot of like some dance rehearsals to figure a choreo out, some recording sessions to
Songwriting.
finish a song to pitch. So it was all like testing things out here and there.
Yeah, and a lot of the choreography sessions became totally redundant because Mikey comes in and he's like, "No, I don't like this choreography. Change it entirely."
Okay, wait. So
And he-
so 2 years ago, you're all like doing your own thing,
Yeah.
and you get a call
Yeah.
from a man called Mikey,
Yes.
who is like, "We know you have the chops. We know you're great looking. We know you can dance like till
For
the
days.
for days." So, do you want to be part of like this big girl group? And you knew it was called Wish, and
Oh,
okay,
we
you didn't know it.
it was called Wish. We
We
just
didn't have a
knew that.
name.
Yeah, I didn't have a name as such. But then when he kind of, he was actually thinking it could be a 5-girl group or a 4-girl group or a 3-girl
Yeah.
group.
Yeah,
I
there
would
were
like to audition for this 5-6 girl group.
But then I think he settled down for 4.
Okay,
I think
show
because it
off.
was the right combination with the 4 of us, and then he was like, "Okay, I can stop now because it's a good combo."
So one thing, do you like walk into the room? You know how like I would do it, but like I walk into the room and if I've come for a casting call, there's like a lot of other women sitting there. I'm gonna be like, who is she? Why is she here? What does she have that I don't have? Was there any kind of energy like that, or it was like, oh
It
wow,
wasn't
we
a
love each
very-
other?
Between the sisters, for sure. They were like, why is my younger sister here?
It wasn't a quintessential audition process. Actually, we got chosen via like
The internet.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
So it's
we-
first read.
Yeah, I got a call saying that there's this girl group, and because this kind of thing didn't really exist in India before, there wasn't really that pop star kind of culture. There was no Indian pop star that I really looked up to at the
BTS
time.
isn't
One
Indian?
second. Let me just point out here that there was a girl group that
Okay,
Mikey had
Naina.
discovered, and the only woman sitting in this group who has any subconscious and conscious memory is me. Viva forever. Okay.
Viva.
I grew up on Viva so hard. All I wanted to do was be part of Viva, and now I am a
wanna be a
senior
part of
citizen who wants to be a part of Wish.
Well, you're a part of moment of silence. If that's not enough for you, I can't do anything.
It's a dream come true for us to be on your podcast.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
you better say
We are big fans of yours.
Oh my god.
stop. It's
Y'all
not
are
like
kind
we
of like
begged
killing
for a
the
com-
internet right now. You're all over the feed.
So let me tell you my first time I heard Wish, okay? I went to this flea market. My friend and I, we've grown up on Viva and like P. Diddy's making the band, a lot of like these girl groups. And that, you know, like suddenly this angelic set of voices start like singing and perfect harmonies, and we're like, what is that? Like the 16-year-olds in us wake up and we run to the stage, and both of us like we're sweating with our 30-year-old tote bags. We're like, guys, this is damn nice, huh? Yeah, they're damn talented, huh? So like after that the mood was set. You guys killed it. We stood the entire set. We were feeling great. And then we started walking around the flea market, and there was a tarot counter.
Oh, you guys went.
Yes. We're like, okay, what's the worst that could happen? And somehow, as we sat down for the tarot reading, the music changed to psytrance. And the Wish vibe just like went away. And this woman is telling me, you know, everybody is going to give you bad luck. You will be useless in your
Yeah.
life. Don't worry.
Y'all shouldn't have stopped performing.
Yeah,
It really,
basically,
this is a confrontation by Naina. actually.
Why did you stop your set so short? Why are there only 2 songs and now almost 3?
I thought the palm reader was gonna tell you that, you know, the music that was just playing, y'all are gonna be in a room with them.
Yeah.
She should have.
Anything good? She didn't say any.
She
nice
said
thing.
absolutely nothing right.
And she said, if you want to know more information, just pay me 51,000 rupees.
I was like, actually, I'd rather go.
Fun
just not
fact,
know.
actually, in Galti, my solo look, I'm actually a sort of tarot card reader, fortune teller. It was supposed to be fortune teller, but it changed to then me with the cards. So maybe that was a sign that we're
That's
gonna
crazy.
meet.
I think
After our
It's giving
performance.
delusional.
I think she wanted
That's
to
the only
take.
good sign.
I think she wanted to take your 51,000 and say, okay, you're going to be bankrupt in the future.
I saw it right there, live flash before my eyes. Do you guys believe in like manifestation,
Yes.
nazar, astrology? You do?
Yes.
Manifestation. I'm not so sure of Nazar.
Yeah.
I'm
But
not very superstitious, but I think Zoe.
I am.
You're a little stish.
She's little. I'm like full on superstitious. I'm right now. I have like a crystal,
Oh.
like what is it called? Aquamarine crystals for like positive energy, and I.
If it
Touch
was
wood.
working, we would not be in the room right now. We bring nothing but negative energy.
She needs a giant rock crystal next to her.
I'm actually, you know, this has been so wholesome, but I want to know the tea right now. I want to know what's the, perhaps not the best part of making it right now. You know, y'all grew at a very exponential pace, and I want to know if there's anything y'all are like, stop.
In what sense do you mean?
Like, say, for example, when we came on the market, we were the #1 and only women's podcast. But in the last 3 to 6 months, there have been many female
And
podcasts.
we're like, hopefully they'll just stop.
But they aren't. So,
Yeah, so now we have to be good at our jobs.
Yeah.
So.
So, do you guys feel like there's so much competition that's happening in the market?
I feel
Not
like
yet.
Yeah,
not
not
yet.
yet. Because right now, I mean, that space for a pop group in India was empty. So
Yeah.
it's kind of like, at least for the last 22 years after Viva.
Not gonna piss you off.
Viva ko layenge.
But so right now, because it's like with Uni Months here as a girl group in India, so right now there
Is
isn't
it
there.
lonely? Only at the
doing
top.
our thing.
You know what I'm hearing? इसमें बहुत काम लगता है. It's a lot of blood, sweat and tears. Try and do what we're doing. You're going to be like really cursing
Y'all
yourself.
never mess
It's
a
hard.
step up. Like, I've tried, okay, to see if anyone's fucking up because that's me, the negative fucking orb in the room. I'm like, yeah, because I can't dance, I can't sing, I'm just chilling. But I'm like, chalo, how can people be this good? Because I thought no one can be good. So how,
There are definitely galtis,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
only we know it.
Yeah.
Tell na little
who
bit.
fucks up the
Yeah,
most?
who fucks up the most?
So I think
the one who's talking is
so we have these formations, right? So one very common formation of ours is a diamond.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
whoever's lucky enough to be at the back of the diamond, they can make mistakes like full on and
'Cause
no one's gonna
can
see it.
that, yeah.
So we always take advantage of that. When I'm at the back, like I know I'm gonna slack a little bit, but only because once I come in front, then I wanna be like not sweaty. So
I
yeah.
remember in the Little Flea show, there was a part like a song of ours which has not come out yet. It's very like a lot of effort. Like you have to dance and sing, and the dance is super hectic and energetic. So there's one like I think 3 seconds that I get to go behind everyone and face my back to the audience, and my manager was like right out like on the side of the stage, and at that point I was like taking like just like okay, go back. So there are those moments where you really have to just like okay, back to show business.
I'll tell you when I made a mistake in the choreography. Recently, we performed on a stage that was super tiny and it was very narrow. And usually, we need the space. If you perform in the back of stage, there's more space, but we wouldn't be so visible. So we were doing a choreography, but we had to like not move around so much. So because of that, I remember Suchi went on the left side, and I was supposed to travel on this side. But there was not much space, so we bumped into
she
each
went
other.
My God, like I need to be in the front.
And we bumped into each other, and then we had to like catch up and we like continue with the step. It was like, my
We
God.
also have a lot of fashion fails that keep
Oh
happening
my
on
God.
stage.
She's the queen of
Yeah,
that.
I think you should take this.
Yeah, another time where I would have messed up because I was not wearing something that was comfortable on
Oh, no.
stage.
It was like a
slowly
wardrobe
slipping.
top,
Yeah.
and it started like coming niche.
Yeah, full on wardrobe malfunction.
That's stressful.
and
But
it was
she
our
really
first performance
handled it
live.
Yeah, but she was like,
She was like, there's a step.
I know to know my moves, and then there was a step like that.
Yeah,
step
she's
and
like,
I'm doing-
And she's 1 and 2.
I did
and 1.
this.
She's putting it up.
Damn.
Yeah. And then she actually went off stage for a bit to like
Fix
fix
it.
it. And we had no idea because we were just like, okay, ready for the next song because it was in between songs.
then
And
we
suddenly
realized she's not there.
we're like, okay, let's hit it. And then suddenly we see our manager on stage and we're like, what are you doing here?
Where is Sim?
And yeah, I'm like, oh my God, Sim is not here. And I'm like, Sim,
And then I
are
heard
you
them
coming
calling
out?
me from stage while I'm trying to like fix it up, and then I'm like, why are they calling my name? I need a moment.
Yeah, I had no idea of all
One
of this
time,
happened.
But that's like, what a champ. So you didn't like no tears, nothing. You were just like powering through.
Not during
what-
the performance, for sure. I was full on. I have to.
She
get
even
through
came
this.
back and she was like, sorry guys, I'm a diva. And then the next song started.
But listen, is it not so unfair that if you're like a female performer, you've got like the outfits, you've got the
Yeah.
choreography, you've got to look good. It's
And
2
men
hours
just
of
show up.
You're just
Like,
there with a
yeah.
guitar and then like a Uniqlo t-shirt.
Yeah.
the
It's like
thing with-
already the pit stage are there and you guys are in full glam with the hair in place and all.
And the thing with our performances, like they're so choreography heavy that we don't even have the space. It's like constant back-to-back dancing.
The amount of times like Ria's hair is in the front like that, and
Oh my
my hair
God.
has just been like this.
Oh.
And in the middle of the show, we are like dancing, and then another one is just flipping,
Yeah.
trying to flip our hair out of our faces.
Yeah.
And we have so many like
Head
head
rolls.
rolls. So it's always like one head roll and then this. Another head roll back to this.
Have you smacked each other in the face
Oh
with
my
your
God,
hair?
don't
Yeah.
there's a video.
This
I
one
forgot.
is the black is called.
She's the one who gets hit.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Because
my
galtis happen with me only.
So with our possibly next music video, like there's this one step where I'm just like whacking my arm and Sim is like right behind me. So
And this is the first time we're doing the choreography on that.
yeah,
set,
like
yeah.
on set, cameras are rolling, and I'm just like that. And I had no idea that it was that bad. Because sometimes you hit somebody and you think, ki, acha, maybe the camera didn't catch it. You
Hit her
feel
on
it,
the
but
nose,
no one
or
else
like
can.
a punch.
Oh
It was
no.
Yeah.
so bad.
Bashed her.
I was like, oh my
I
God.
finished dancing, okay, and I had no idea that it was that bad. And suddenly I look behind and like I'm seeing
Sim is
everyone's
like-
faces are on Sim, and she's just like this, and her eyes are teary, and she's like, You didn't even stop dancing. And I'm just like, oh my god, I didn't know.
See, but then at that point of time, do you keep your professional like career in front of you, or the fact that your sisters?
Sisters, I was just about to
So
say,
Ria
My
went-
sister would have choked
did
me
you
to the
complain to your
ground.
mom as a younger sibling? I feel
didn't.
like you should.
I didn't tell them only, but I don't
Guts.
think they know also.
Yeah, they
She's
know.
just mature. She's a diva. She can handle everything. Sim is
I
like
would have-
the entire
Well,
package.
you
I
know,
would have
still
stopped
hurting.
the thing to punch my sister.
I would have
No
punched my
offense.
sister hardcore.
Okay, she gives me a lot of shit for it.
Well, I kept talking about it. I'll just be like, my nose, and it was the first time, and then the rest of the shoot was like exhausting.
No,
and,
but they both are very well-behaved sisters.
Really?
Bro,
Yeah.
me and my sister we'll kill each other. I think.
Even me, man.
It was so like.
We-
And very
When
Sad.
my
Everyone here is one sister, one sister.
Yes.
Like, we all have sisters.
Who are the older sisters?
Raise
One,
your
two,
hands.
three older sisters and one, two,
And then the
three
younger
younger.
sisters
And
are
then
where
the-
it's
You can
at
just
and
see
the
by their
ones-
faces, they don't even have the freaking this thing to raise their hand. They're just like, yeah, I've arrived and
mean,
what?
But okay, I just have to say that younger sisters are kind of the chiller ones, you know.
Yeah,
Like,
because you have to do absolutely nothing in your fucking life.
I completely agree with you.
and we're the ones getting punched in the face apparently. Yeah.
I think the older sisters are like more talented.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
So
More
here's my hot take.
mature.
Hot.
Like, I think younger sisters are more talented but lazy. Older sisters are
Yes,
hardworking and they will
actually.
like nichoro
Yes.
the whatever little skill God has given
That's
them.
so
Naina.
accurate.
That is actually very
That is
That's your
Yes.
elder sister shit now coming in. She's like,
I'm
let me
telling
keep
you.
the peace.
Dude, I would literally in my family, like I would be the one in Bharatnatyam class 11 years, my sister 1 year. Music 3 years, my sister 2 months. Okay, like this. And my sister has to do nothing. She'll just like pick up a paintbrush one day, make one swirl on a page, and my mom's like, you know, if Mira only she just worked a little harder, she could sell a painting like Picasso. I'm like, shut up.
so our dad.
When I was younger, my sister and I, just like them, would sing together, and all the aunties would be like, "Oh, you both sing so well, but Zana, her voice," and it was always how, like the younger sisters just got it, but she didn't.
She didn't
Didn't
do
do
it.
it.
She like, yeah, here I have every talent in the world, but now I'm just gonna pick a totally obscure, random thing to do with my life. You can do all the hard work and be a K-pop or B-pop or what is it? Is it Indian pop? Is
Indian pop.
I-pop.
Yeah.
That sounds like I pill.
I don't think that's an official thing.
You are
my
an
gosh.
Arsenal fan.
Oh yeah.
Which boy tricked you into being an
Yeah.
Arsenal fan?
Unfortunately, no boy tricked me. It's just like my cousin. My cousin is a great football player, and he used to follow Arsenal. And I was this Chotu sister used to watch him like, oh, he's so passionate about football. And then in school I used to play football, and then I just felt like watching a lot of matches because he used to be like goal. And then I just fell into it, and Arsenal really became one of my favorite clubs that I've been following for about 10 years now.
You know, both of us have dated Arsenal fans before.
We have beef with Arsenal.
Yeah.
Gunners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, for 1
You
year
know,
in school.
Is that like a red flag now for you?
It is an
Arsenal?
actual red
It is
flag.
actually
Flag
red
red
flag.
of Arsenal. Wow.
But my ex used to keep making me say, y'all have that yeah gunners, yeah thing. And I'm pretty sure that was our foreplay. I didn't realize it at the time, but he would be like, can you please say it once? Can you please say it once? And now, maybe that was his kink, just getting someone to.
I can't
In
believe.
hindsight, I've dated Chelsea fans.
Yeah.
Oh, this shit.
They're like, that's like dating somebody from like Hufflepuff. In my
I've
mind.
dated an Arsenal fan.
Right? I didn't even know Arsenal had so many fans, and now suddenly,
They
sorry.
They do.
Yeah, you like
honestly.
also what is like your crush in school would be like a jock, or a
My-
musician?
It would just be crush in school, but I was in an all convent.
All
school.
girls.
The only crush I'll have is like someone who's from outside my school.
Fair
If I've seen walking outside at school, like all the
Any boy.
So y'all know Naina loves musicians, right? That's like her favorite. So Would you guys date another musician?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That was so quick.
I would not probably, because they'll be like always, oh, you remind me of this song, and they'll play it.
That's true. Honestly, for however romantic it is to be serenaded in theory, I only want to be serenaded once in my life. Like, I just feel like Justin Bieber would be such an irritating husband. Like, all day, he'd just
She's
be
just trying to
singing.
make her phone case and he's like, babe.
Well, if they're
like,
only
"Babe,
talking
please."
about music, then too that'll get annoying. But
It's
I don't
because
think
you are
that's how it
already a
works.
musician, you are singing 24/7, then you have a boyfriend who's also singing 24/7. I feel there should be some contrast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Also, it can't be like two people who want attention all the time
Oh, yeah.
that are together. How does that work?
So you're saying musicians want attention.
I disagree.
Yeah, attention whores. is what you mean.
So what are red flags and what are green flags for you?
Red flag is the arrogance.
Yeah.
They're like, I'm better than everything else. I can't.
Yeah, I agree.
There are talented musicians, such as the beautiful women sitting in front of
And
me
Naina.
and Naina and next to me. And there are not talented musicians. And in my experience, it is the non-talented musicians that are like, I've just not been discovered yet. Like,
Yeah.
The
they're
Indian music industry is on a nascent stage right now.
And
It's
I'm
very
on the
nascent.
cusp of, like,
Yeah.
it's like these people just want to listen to the mainstream shit. Like, they don't know the art that I'm creating.
Yeah,
And
my music is indie.
yeah, they don't get it. I'm happy with my 3 people audience, and that I feel like they're the ones that think they're like,
Gangster.
arrogant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the kind of musician you'll have come across.
Ooh, who have you come across?
Well,
Have you heard of
musicians
BTS?
are totally my type. So,
So what is the red flag then?
see, I can't say red flag and all. So I don't know. In musicians in
No,
particular.
in life. No,
In
in
life.
life.
In
Yeah.
In life.
He
Oh, I
can't
don't
hit
like
a C7.
Oh,
Suspended something. Yeah, in
Some
life.
boy has taught you these terms, or what?
Babe, all my life. I've been practicing.
I don't like a know-it-all.
Hmm.
And just talks about, oh, I know this and show off and everything.
It's all very fair.
So she won't like me. No, I don't know anything. I'm. Please like me.
No, we actually yesterday Natasha and I were talking about, she's like, I'm looking for like a mentor in my life. I'm looking like for a female mentor. And I was like, I've actually never found a person that I can look up to, because I feel like every woman, even if she's like the CEO of Pepsi, is like second guessing herself and me like, I don't know if I'm qualified to give this kind of information to this young impressionable mind. Like no one's giving you information even though they know what they're
I
up to.
also feel like women are always like, just don't do that. Like, I don't know what you should do. Just don't do what I did.
That's true.
The guy is only not fixed himself, and then he's like trying to fix you. Like, he's not fixed himself in like mentally. He's in this trauma situation. Who's like someone who's already knowing that they are they're messed up.
Messy, yeah.
But then they'll pretend that they are not messed up, and then they'll mess the other person up. So I'm like, first fix yourself and then just like go into a relationship.
I used to be attracted to that kind, and then I wanted to be the one who fixed
Fix
them.
them.
And
Oh,
Who else in this room? What a unique
All
passion.
the women in the room. really
Yeah.
So has anybody here fixed a man?
Tried.
you can't
Isn't,
fix men.
isn't that what your newest song is about? Therapy? Isn't that about like.
Well, it's actually
someone's
about like,
tapping.
can you please go and fix yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll link it down below for all the girls so that y'all can send it to your partner who needs some fixing.
You know what I love about Wish? Like the packaging is just, it's firstly, everyone's stinking, cute and hot and sexy, very fucking talented, great outfits, amazing choreography. You can really put in a social message and, subliminally tell everybody, like, go to therapy. But it's like, you need therapy. I think there's something wrong with your relationship with your mom, your dad. Your dad needs you to show up at his job. But But
Yeah,
like I
we
would
package
listen.
it well, and
Yeah.
everyone
Yeah.
want to go for therapy after.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you're
Why
on to
not?
something.
Yeah, actually,
Why not? It's
like
Give us
great.
content ideas.
I went for therapy even though I didn't feel like I needed fixing or anything of that sort. I wanted to grow. I wanted to learn myself better. And I think if we put out a song like Therapy, then it kind of opens up that conversation that I think everyone should try it once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
in
did
their
too.
life.
Like I always thought that I could deal with things on my own because I just can. But I went just for fun to kind of like see if the experience would actually make a difference and see what it was all about. And honestly, I came out beaming. I felt like I just had a gossip session with someone that I didn't know, and I
You
just
can't tell anyone.
yeah. And I
Yeah.
like spoke about everything, and I just felt like wow, I have so much peace right now. I just wanna. I'm so happy. So I was like, this is fun.
I
This is
really
great.
want to try it out, but I don't know many therapists, so give contacts because I can't go to the same one that Ree goes because apparently it's not.
That's
ethical.
not allowed.
Yeah,
I'll
no,
give you
it's
some
not.
links.
Nena and I go to the same therapist. It's this camera.
It's called Moment of Silence.
We do camera.
No, I love therapy. I love putting on the stand-up routine that is my life for 60 minutes a week.
Yeah. My
Oh, I
main-
would just get 45.
Oh.
Oh, that's some budgeting stuff that's going on.
Dude, that's my thing, like it takes you 40 minutes to kind of get in the zone, and then you're like, I don't think my dad, something, and the therapist's like, oh,
Time's up.
see ya next week.
Dude, then for 1 week, I'm just thinking, am I her most interesting client? Can I be the one that she thinks about when she's taking time
Yeah.
off from work? She's like that delightful creature, Nana. She's just
I'm so excited for her session next week.
Yeah, I would think about, okay, what more do I have that's entertaining in my life that I can talk about? Like, I want to go there and put on a show and be entertaining. That's what I would think about. I don't know why I wanted to impress my therapist.
They like give good feedback and like talk to you and
They-
stuff, or they just listen.
They work you through it, but they
Yeah.
let you get to your own conclusion. But I think they just need to tell me now. I don't have time like that. I went in, I was like, oh, let me spill some tea because that's my favorite thing. And the third session, my therapist was like, oh, why do you think you like gossiping so much? And I was like, bitch, don't do this, man. I thought we were homies, but I guess not.
Do you guys like to gossip?
So I don't see gossip as a bad thing. Like I don't like the
Yes,
spreading
let's
of
be friends.
Yes. I don't like the spreading of like rumors and stuff like that. That's not about me, but like tell me things.
Yeah.
I just want to know
Yeah.
what's going on. I just want to be in the know because it's entertaining. Honestly, I get some life out of it.
And it's good for bonding, right? Like,
Yes.
we gossip a lot, and it really has brought us together.
Send us a video
Last
Yeah.
night,
Yeah.
which is about this guy talking about how gossiping is actually a bonding thing for people, and it's like you're almost letting people into your inner circle, and that's kind of how like you bond by
Yeah.
gossiping.
Yeah.
So if I were to give you $1 million to take one of the other Wish members out to guarantee good gossip, who would you take?
Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
I think it's Sim.
Me?
She knows all celebrity gossip a lot.
Ooh.
Give us
Like
gossip.
she gives us
Mujhe
the
bhi
right
de do.
that one has gone out with this one, but this one loves this one. So it's all complicated. She knows everything about celebrity gossip.
No,
Give
but
us some-
even like within our friend circles, I think Sim is always in the know of what's happening,
Yeah.
and
I
she
know
notices
everyone,
things.
even in the studio. I'm just like aware about
I
everyone.
feel like Ree knows a lot, but she never says anything. I have to really pry it out of her.
What did you guys bond on? Music.
Chai or chart?
Yeah.
That is
Ooh.
true.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
think there's a space in our studio, like it has a staircase, and then there's like studios, and then we order chai. We make chai there, and then some of us get chart, and we just talk because so much time is spent in like brainstorming ideas, and lyric writing is really, it takes a lot from us. Like we are actually tired by just sitting and writing. So that I think I really like the most because we bond that time, and everyone talks about their whatever gossip they have to share.
Which y'all are not sharing. Don't think
I
I've
so much
forgotten.
gossip. Like, how do we think what to
For
pick?
me, I have like mostly like guy friends for some reason, like at least new friends, it's easier, I guess, to make
Yeah.
than female friends. At least that's my experience. And so when I joined the group, I was like, oh my god, I didn't know I needed this like female energy in my life so badly.
Same.
Because like
Same.
there's a certain way that females react to certain things rather than men, and these girls give me exactly what I need. Like if I'm like complaining about someone, I don't want solutions, and they're like, oh my god, who is this?
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
Let's fight them, and I don't know, it's
Yeah.
just and very
Correct.
sweet.
Even I was at that point in my life where all my friends were moving out to study or to
Oh,
work.
yeah.
So I was kind of feeling that like emptiness of female energy as well. And that's when Wish happened. So it kind of was a perfect time for me.
Sometimes we just talk with eyes. Like I look at Zoe and we're like,
I
The
noticed
makeup's
that
not
at
good.
lunch, every time I ask y'all a question, y'all all do like a 4-way eye contact and y'all like discuss with your eyes कि इसको कितना बोलना है, ये कितना बाहर जाके बोलेगी, and then y'all give an answer. And only one of y'all speaks at a time. We talk over each other all the time, and you guys just are. Maybe we need to start practicing 8 hours of choreo a day.
If there's 4 of you, is someone on their period all the time, or have you synced periods
have
like
same.
that?
Synced.
God. Sorry.
Have
I
we
spoke
said?
I don't know.
I'm on my period right now. Me too. Let's go, Natasha.
wow.
Hot yaar.
Actually,
Are you guys
period
serious?
Shit, me too.
periods just reminded me of a very of something that I would never forget. So I don't use. I never used tampon. I've always been like a bad girl. I'm
girly.
a very traditional person. But we had to go to Goa and go in the water and shoot. And I'm really supposed to say that.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, fine. And I was like, I think I have to do this tampon thing. And she was spent 15 minutes showing how to
I had,
shove
like-
it in your
That's a
Exactly.
rite of
Even
passage.
The same thing happened to me because I never used a tampon before, and even I got my period. So we were both in the same boat.
I was just giving out tampons.
I love it.
So you have to inject it like this. Hear the click. Only then. I was like, okay, the click I can't find. The click.
And we had to do a bikini shoot.
Yeah, it was a
on
bikini
that
shoot.
day, and it was so stressful. We were like, oh my god, how are we gonna do it? But it turned out it nothing.
Yeah, it was.
But I
Yeah,
feel
that's
like that's a rite of passage. We've all taught some girl
Someone.
how she has to squat while putting the tampon, and it's like, don't go down, go back. Like, you have to hook
The
it in.
angle has to be
Yeah.
there.
Does anybody use like menstrual cups, or is it
I have
pads? or-
tried and I
tried
just
as well.
could not.
Same.
I could not figure it out.
I
Did
was
hot-
using it for at least a good 6 months, but then after a point I got tired of like cleaning it. I was like,
thought
"Okay, I
of
have
it
to
only
clean
scares me,
sterilize
like-
it.
It looks only a little scary.
Who's messy
Yeah,
and
who's
who's
the
gross? Come on.
messiest?
I feel like
You'll answer at the same time. 3.
no, I feel like Zoe and maybe
This is not a
everyone
clear
but
cut
me.
answer.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
it's
we
a
would.
I can
instantly
see your
be like,
eyeballs
Okay.
moving.
Yeah.
Like, I need to answer.
Calibrating.
Okay, who's the cleanest? Oh,
Oh my
I
gosh.
think I am.
No.
Sim cleans
of course
after
you
we
think
eat.
you are Sim.
I think maybe Ree. But
Okay.
then
Could be.
so like I think just in organization wise, like Ree, but then I always see Suchi cleaning. Like I'm seeing her in the like
Never
when we
clean,
eat-
but she's always cleaning.
when we eat, she's
When I
like
eat.
putting away the dishes, and I'm like,
Okay.
it's fine.
It's definitely not Ree because I live with her. And she's not.
Your
clean.
clothes are like always all over the place.
Okay, right now we have renovation happening.
No, no,
in
no.
our house.
Excuse
Yeah,
me.
my house also
Excuse
6
me.
years renovation has been happening.
That's what.
When I'm outdoors, I'm more aware of being clean. But when I'm indoors, the
Right
That's
out of
called
Naina's
pick
playbook.
me profession, like pick me behavior.
I
Yeah,
was like,
Naina
you have to
knows.
be like a good girl outside.
That's what I'm
at home, you can
saying.
be right.
It's a pick me in the world, not a relationship pick me. It's just
Oh,
like,
okay.
hey, I'm a nice person actually.
I'll tell you. Okay, this is the level. If I'm out at somebody else's house, I will like clean the plate. I'll put everything away. Every rice that I've dropped on the mat, I'll put it paste it with my finger and throw it away. But at home, and she knows this story. Once there was my friend had left a mango duet in the freezer, and an ice glacier had formed around it, and I really wanted.
Fascinating.
Yeah, it was 1:30 at night. I finished watching Splitsvilla. And I was like, I need that ice cream. That specific ice cream that's been stale in that freezer for 6 months. I took a balan and I whacked. And I took hot water and I threw it at the freezer and I whacked. And 15 minutes later, it felt like I climbed like Everest. I was sitting and eating that stale as hell mango duet.
And in my house,
It
no,
was
I'll
great.
tell you, in my house, my dog gets served food at 10:30. Nana comes in at 10:40 and she's like, oh, he hasn't eaten yet. Maybe we should get him a fresh bowl. And she's eaten a 6-month-old mango duet.
Yeah.
I feel like it would have been much easier if you just Instamarted a new one.
It was
It's the rush.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
the rush.
You needed to
Yeah.
Dedication
You
for
see it, you want it.
Yes.
You're
Maybe
feeling
then our next song should be
adventurous,
about
Are you
that.
okay though? Like your stomach and all is
My
all good?
dude, I am made of steel. Like inside out, my heart has been replaced with a platinum. So whatever the strongest material is.
Like your
Try to
stomach
knock
would
her
need to
out.
be
Yeah. You can't fuck me up.
Is it like preparation from like eating Delhi street food?
No,
No.
it is that I'm a millennial. I was born in 92. And back in our day, my mom would just throw a little dust in my face just for good immunity. Like, chalo, chalo. Ab chicken pox nahi hoga, ab malaria nahi hoga, sab theek hoga. That's
Have
it.
you got chicken pox?
Yeah, of course.
I've never got chicken
I also
pox.
haven't.
Oh,
Ooh.
they say when you get chicken, if you never got chicken pox when you're like young, you're gonna get the worst one
Yeah.
when you're.
Oh God. don't
They can
say
say
that,
whatever they want. I'm vaccinated.
Adult chicken pox is very scary.
Yes.
This conversation
This
is
is a
dying.
vaccination ad.
We started by talking about Wish.
फेफड़ों की बीमारी.
I haven't heard of anyone who has chicken pox lately, though.
We have.
My manager got chicken pox.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I had to tell him the old wives' tales कि पपीते के पत्ते के साथ नीम के पत्ते के साथ इसको you have to like rub
Does-
your scars and stuff.
Does one of y'all get sicker? Like, who falls sick the most often?
Sim.
Me.
Sim's stomach is like always.
Yeah,
out.
it's
always
I don't know.
out.
I have a gut thing, and it's like anytime. A lot of times when we eat out, I'm like, my stomach is hurting.
And she doesn't like learn. She'll keep eating out, and then
Yeah.
she'll keep falling.
Yeah, if you've seen my
Hot
intro
girls
video, I
have
say I
IBS.
love eating snacks, so I eat a lot of junk food.
Dude, I'm telling you, hot girls
Have
are
IBS.
chronically they have stomach problems.
I agree.
Yeah,
And
you
a
also
hot
have
girls.
stomach problems.
It's a thing.
Do you guys
That
take
means
care
they are
of?
not hot.
No, you're not. Hot
I have
girls take
stomach
care of
problems.
themselves.
I don't know. I just don't get so sick.
She has a lot of healthy food, though. She's
Yeah.
very much
Yeah.
into
Her
it.
parents also are very like her dad is into fitness. Her mom is also very.
You're very hot. I thought everyone had stomach issues. That's why I said the statement so confidently. I didn't know you were healthy, a
I
health
can't go back.
queen. Never met her.
I want to know your dark side though.
My dark
Yeah,
side.
like
What's
convent
your
girl,
vice?
like
Oh my
cannot
God.
say the word bum.
Side, yeah.
what makes her tick?
Oh my God.
What makes her
What's your one vice?
She is the fighter of the group.
Yeah.
She is the one who will right the wrongs and really like stand up for
I'm
it.
actually the gunda.
Yeah.
It's
she
like
is
my dad's
Gundi.
like, oh, I didn't get a son, but you're like my son.
But she's the sweet gunda.
Yeah.
It's
Like-
the Lokhandwala in you, dude.
Can you give us like a story?
Yes. There was like we went to the airport for like our first ever music video, like travel abroad situation, and there was a super rude like check-in counter lady, and she was very rude, and I was just like, oh my God, she has woken up on the wrong side of the bed, and she kind of made this statement of like, put your bag or something like that.
That's
like,
just so
hurry up.
sweetly she's saying right now. That lady was like, "Arey bag rakho, come on, this is getting late." And the way she said it only, it just ticked me. I'm like, oh. And I'm like, are you okay? Like, I'm gonna put it right, like right now, if it's fine. And then afterwards I said, it's not a way to behave. And
You didn't learn how to
I
talk.
You don't know
love
how to
that.
talk.
Gang, gang.
And she was like, the bag is not gonna get checked in on the flight. and we were just like, what the hell?
No, but then I've been like, what? I just did the what really loudly that ticked her a little bit. And then she's like, yeah, okay, it will come, put your bag. And I'm like, yes, I will put it.
Usually even I kind of like become very against this, like if anyone talking then.
Yeah.
But for some reason that day I was just like trying to calm Suchi down.
Suchi, we have to make it on the flight, please don't.
It's like the younger sibling.
We had this fitness trainer for a bit, and we were doing this like we
This
were
is-
cooling
yeah.
down, okay, towards the end of the
Our
class, and we
legs
were
are
doing
in the air.
stretches. Yeah, we're lying down, our legs are in the air. It looks totally inappropriate, and he suddenly goes and opens his laptop screen, and you can see that the camera is on.
Like a
Oh my
Zoom meeting is
God.
about to start. kind
We
of
didn't know about that. We just see a camera and we are there in like this really weird position. And suddenly, like, I start telling the girls because I noticed, I was like, guys, see, something's happening. Like, you know how we communicate through our eyes? And then Sim just gets up, she goes, and she shuts the laptop face down.
Before that, she told him also,
Yeah.
like, you know, up laptop, niche, put the screen down,
I
आप
was like, why
later
is
कर
this
सकते
like
हैं.
on, like this camera? He's like, नहीं, बस on नहीं है, बस join करना बाकी है and everything.
Some Zoom call, some ladies
So
had
I
to join
was not.
on that
After
Zoom
some time,
call.
he doesn't put it. So I was like, I just went.
Then
got
she
up and
got
shut
up
it.
like that. She just went and banged.
No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it myself.
Dude, we need to learn from her.
We
Naina,
also need to learn from
whenever you're not doing anything with these girls,
Please come to us.
come to us.
Do you guys watch like reality television? Any?
It's
Oh
my
God, so
favorite
yeah.
thing to
Yeah.
do.
What's
in
your
the world.
favorite reality show?
Oh my god, I watched them all. Like
You watched-
Circle, Selling Sunsets, Too Hot to Handle, X on the Beach.
Yeah.
You were on a reality show.
You were
You
On
were
a singing one, so it doesn't
Indian
count.
Idol.
the
No,
stage.
no, the stage.
Oh,
You know everything about me already.
No, but I just
guessed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I was also on a reality show.
Which one?
I was a singer. I won Indian Idol season 1.
Is this in
I'm
your past
Abhijit
life?
Sawant. No, I was
Second, I
on.
believed you, Sakshi.
I was on
You
India's
didn't see her
Next
at the
Top
back
Model.
of that song.
Hum rahe ya na rahe.
Sorry.
Were
I
you the
just
backing
can't.
vocalist?
Yes.
How dare you? How dare you, Sim?
The lead.
She was the
main
lead
character.
How dare you assume that she was a backing vocal?
I was on India's Next Top Model.
I watched that. I think I saw you in it as well.
Oh, yeah, you were
Oh.
amazing.
Then you did not watch it actually.
There is a lot of
Politics.
you know, you can see that there are certain things that they're trying to get out of you.
Yeah.
Like this podcast. And you're like, just positivity, my crystals are taking me through.
In fact, there was a video they were making on each contestant, and it made me look so stupid. Okay, because they were asking me to talk in Hindi, like that was the gist of the game, and I was supposed to answer everything in Hindi. And the way they edited it was as if I do not know Hindi that well, but like all my pauses, all my like, and they put the crickets and they put the and I'm literally like,
What?
and I was like, this is so bad.
It's okay, it's happened to Alia Bhatt also.
That's true.
At
That's
the start of her
That's true.
career.
Have you guys been on a reality show as well?
We actually auditioned to be on the stage, but after a point, I really don't like auditions, so I didn't want to keep going. So I
Fair
went for
enough.
1, 2, and then I
Yeah.
was like, this is stressful. I'm not going again.
Yeah, I entered the room and I'm like excited to sing. I think it was Chandelier by Sia. And I start and it starts off like really low. And then I'm excited because like the pre-chorus and the chorus gets really high and I can really show off all my vocals. And they just stop me right before the pre-chorus. And I'm just like, what? That was 2 lines. And she was just like, yeah, that's all you got. And I was like, wow, this is reality. It's really hitting me now.
They were kind of mean also. That's
Yeah.
mostly why I didn't want to continue, because there was this one lady, she was just, I don't know if who she was or not, but there was someone in that process who was like, oh, you didn't comb your hair or something. But it turns out I combed it, which is why it became frizzy.
Oh my god.
And that's why I was like,
Curly hair
messy.
problems.
So what does your hair got to do with your singing?
no.
I was not even a in music. I was.
Yeah,
a
you were not
guest,
like you aren't a classically trained singer, right?
No, I really am dying to get training because I want to learn. But singing was something I just used to do for fun. And my school teachers and choir teachers told me, oh, you know what, you know to sing, please sing this. And in family functions, they used to make me the bakra, go and sing, go and dance. I used to be one entertainer over there. So, but then later on, I never took this as a career choice because I thought it's not gonna happen. I'm not that good enough.
Stop.
So I did this desk job. I was like behind the camera. Like I would be someone, checking the frames of,
She
different.
points at a very talented team who are doing great work. Please.
But I used to be behind the camera doing all of that. But Wish came and told me like, let's change that.
There was this other girl group that I'd auditioned for. It was the one of the top labels in India. I don't know if I can
also
name.
auditioned for it.
You also
Same.
did. And I go for the audition, and it's a very weird little shady looking space. The people are a little shady looking. And I go into the room. There's one guy sitting, and he's just like, अच्छा हाँ आ जाइए. Okay, एक भजन गाना है आपको. And I was like, what? I thought this was an audition for a pop girl group. And he's like, haha, we want to hear your vocals. And I mucked that audition up.
I have the exact opposite experience. I sucked at singing and dancing, and I was in the temple. Okay, my mom goes to this temple often, and when I was a kid, she would take me. And one of the pundits there was like, "Oh, आप क्या करते हो?" So I was like, "मुझे singing, मुझे dancing पसंद है," because I liked it. I just sucked at it. So they were like, "चलो," then like you know how you tell a kid to sing or dance, like कुछ करके दिखाओ, like you know. And this is a pundit in a very religious organization, and I had only learned one song, and it was Kaata Laga. So I went Kaata Laga, and my mom snatched me the fuck out of there, and I've not been back. So we should have swapped.
Yeah.
What a song choice.
That's like the exact opposite experience.
I love the song choice.
Thank you.
Wish is, of course, now what you're doing, but you've had like a long career. And in music, has it ever been like, have experiences gotten weird, or has it always been smooth sailing? What are some low moments?
I've gotten a lot of, because I think I started pushing myself into like the industry when I was quite young-ish. Now there's no age because I think Gen Zs are starting from like 12. They're
Yeah.
working now at this point. But like I was about like 18, 19-ish. So I got a lot of like, you won't know shit. So like a lot of people trying to tell me what to do, or like not really hearing my opinion on what I wanted or stuff like that.
Whenever we are like all set to get our hair and makeup done, and that's like the most like, oh gosh, we are like, okay, let's just pray the hair and makeup artists are like, they know their jobs. And then suddenly we'll hear from the next room, Zoe's yelling, ऐसा नहीं करना है, वैसा करना है, बाल ऐसा कर लिया. She's poor thing trying to struggle with her Hindi, first of all, trying to make them understand. And they're just trying to, नहीं पर ऐसा दिखेगा. And there's like lot of back and forth happening, and we really like take a moment and pray that the hair and makeup at least does.
Yeah.
But I'm glad we can be so assertive and vocal about
Yeah.
these things.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
past, especially with our Symmetry music videos, we done one video where they made me wear this very absurd outfit and my hair looked weird. I looked like a grandmother. And everyone around me was like, "Wow, you're looking amazing." And because I was like so stressed, I was like, I don't like what I'm wearing. I was not happy at all. But I felt like at that time I couldn't say it. But now I feel like we can be like a little more assertive.
That's why I look so lazeez.
But that is the thing, right? Because like you have a vision in your head as an artist, but you don't have the budget.
Yeah.
So then, you're like at every stage, you want to create something, because I'm sure everyone in this room is a perfectionist, I can tell. You want it to look like something, but like you're stepping on after hurdle, whether it's frizz in your hair or the fact that somebody doesn't know how to tong your, curl in the right direction, and then you're being gaslit, being like, no,
Oh
you
my
look
God.
amazing.
Yeah.
No, it's not ill-fitting. This is the fitting of that outfit.
Yeah, the worst thing is, so I'm dusky, like my skin color is like dusky, and they'll make me like white. I don't know why. Like they would just put foundations that would make me fair, and then my neck color is different in my
Oh
face.
no.
And I just look at like our manager and like,
I can hear
looking
Suchi
different
like,
and like, no, her face and neck is not matching. Please change. Then I explain to him like nicely because I want to be nice because they're also doing their best. I was like, ये इन्हें हमको fair ही करना है हमको fair. So that thing is just like
Set in.
it's just set in. It's not changed where you are like this is the shade that can look beautiful, is beautiful.
Yeah.
And just have to like enhance it with makeup, not like put a white foundation over it and just make you fair. So that's something I struggle with all the time, and I
Does
just
that
keep
like stress you?
talking.
Like, does that make you feel second guess, your self-image, or
So I've come a long way. When I was in school and I had a lot of these guy friends in building and all, they used to cry like lot of racist like jokes. Not racist but like color prejudice types. Like they'll be I laugh about it right now. Even if I get joked about, I laugh about it. It's like this, you play hide and seek and there's like a dark room and be like, oh, but how can we find Suchi? Because she's dark. So it's I've grown through that and now I laugh about it. But again, I can take it, someone else can't, and it'll create a lot of build up in you. That so I used to feel like maybe I should be fair to be liked in India. Maybe if I go abroad, I will be accepted. But then slowly, like I just knew that this is such a beautiful color. Like my mom's dusky, and she is so beautiful, and I love my skin color. I wouldn't want any other, skin tone at all. So I just started embracing it, and I just wish others who have not yet, tapped on that side of maturity to embrace
And
it.
I think you actually with like your skin and all, you accepting it, and because so many young girls are watching you guys perform, I think it like
it's so
yeah,
empowering?
it helps them to be themselves and not
Yeah,
be
you're so
pressured by
right.
like their peers and everything. So it's your and the worst part is we as a country have so many different skin tones, and when you go abroad, they'll nicely enhance it. And they'll
Correct.
like, have you seen the photo shoots where like here they make you fairer, and as soon as they like actresses go abroad and do like an international cover, they make them tanner.
Yeah.
Like that's what we're doing, and
It's
we're
like a
fucking
flip
it up.
side. Like the moment I'm gone out, they'll be like, and then the
Can we
moment
make you
I'm
3 shades darker?
But that's the thing. Like, I feel like now, whenever I'm going, because I do so many shoots and stuff, and the first job of anybody on the other side of the camera is to be critical. Oh, there is a frizz. Oh, there's like a line under her eye. Oh, she looking bloated. This will not work for the brand. No matter how confident I start at the beginning of that day, by the end of it, I'm like, hey, do I need Botox? Like,
You
is
need
there some-
under
yeah, is there something wrong with my face? But like, you can't help for it to subconsciously bleed into you, no matter how
Yeah,
confident you are.
definitely.
And you feel like now that you guys are so in front of the camera, and it is a very like stylized, hyper curated image that like you feel kind of critical of yourself, or
I feel like at least more than before. I'm noticing now. Like I'm just looking at the camera. I'm like, is the makeup fine? Before I used to like never even really wear makeup, and I'm like, dark circles, pigmentation. I'm watching these things, but it's not like it's affecting so much. It's more like like observations, which can lead to something else as well. But as long as I feel like you're confident in who you are, I feel like it would never actually truly cut deep. So like Suchi's confident in
Yeah.
now her curls and her skin. So after a point, if it is excessive, of course it'll affect, but I think we all have each other also to kind of like hype each other up if that happens at any point of time.
I feel like I can be very like critical about myself, especially on camera and seeing yourself back. But then it's more in the zone that if I'm looking too skinny, then I need to work out and push myself in that direction instead of thinking. There are times where maybe earlier, but not so much right now. So I'll be like, okay, maybe I should work out, do more squats, and then I do end up doing that. I make sure before our shoots, I'll exercise, do some push-ups, and just look better. But
can
so
do
it's
a
in a healthy
push-up.
way.
Sorry.
I can't. I'll be honest.
You can do a push-up.
I can do it, but with my knees.
Okay,
bent.
okay.
Not I can, but it's like lesser.
Counts,
reps.
it counts.
Time though.
Yeah.
It takes
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
You
And
can do
let's
a
be
push-up.
honest.
No, even I can try at least 3 because
That's
Sorry,
3
sorry.
more than we could do.
3 or 5 I can go max. But that too like struggling and shivering. But we naturally as girls don't have enough muscle fat right over here.
Yeah.
So it will take time and you need to do it first on your knees and then. Okay.
Yeah,
You're
I
one
keep
step
talking
ahead
to
of
Suchi.
me.
What?
You're one step ahead of me because you do it on your knee at least. I just don't do it.
Sakshi gets on her knees also.
Yeah, but for other reasons. To pray to God. Sick fucks. Sick fucks.
I just knew when you said that line.
It was a setup.
We've come
Be
to
careful what
torment
you
your...
wish for.
We've come to make you all second guess your first instinct.
Okay, we took a little break because we had to school all the wish girls to be a little spicier. Now we've got one elaichi, one dalchini, one long.
One mirchi.
One
No
mirchi.
one's mirchi yet. But with this segment, we hope to change that. So we are
Still
going to...
Aziz though.
Wait, before anybody says anything, Suchi was going to give an answer to a really good question.
What?
The question was, now that you are famous, have your guy friends started looking at you differently? Have people been marrowing lines and chances and this and that?
In fact, the people and the boys who have thrown me smack shade in college and never looked at me also once have been texting me on Facebook and Instagram.
Loser.
Hi, we heard you're in Wish and we are very proud of you. I can't believe that Suchi has come here and doing all this. I'm like, nice. Nice to know.
Good for
But
you.
who are you? What's your name?
Yes. Have you heard our new single Therapy? You might want to listen to it.
Oh my god,
Anybody
the
else?
other day someone came up to me, he's like, hey Sim, how are you? And I had no clue who he was. And he was like, oh yeah, I'm so and so person, we met on this day. I know your sister really well. And like, we also met, right, on that day. I was like, oh no, I don't remember. So I was just like super awkward. And then he just started talking to me forever. And Ria was in the next room. And then I go up to her. I was like, oh, this person came and he said, he's your friend. Why didn't you come? She's like, I don't know who he is.
Yeah, I was actually
Gang.
listening to the conversation and I could not recognize who he was. So I just stayed hidden in the room.
So I think he knew who he was and we didn't know him.
I mean, it's not the first time.
It's not going to be the last time either.
But he pretended to be all like, oh, I know you all and we met at this thing and we're friends. And
Dude, that's the worst where they're like, oh, do you know me? And it's like, listen, just introduce yourself. We always introduce ourselves because we never remember the samne wale ka name. And we never get the name in return. We say, yeah, we know. And it's like, please just give
For
me
the
your
life-
name. I beg
For the
you.
love of God, just tell us
This
who
is
you are.
Naina. This is Sakshi. I know.
You know what my pet peeve is? Like, when you kind of reach somewhere in life and then some bitch from school who like had beef with you back then suddenly turns around and meets you at some like get together like, we're so proud of you. Oh my god. I just always knew you'd be able to do it. I was like, why were you such a bitch back in high school then?
It was your
I'm just
villain
not
arc.
that social. I don't go out all that much. And I think since Wish has launched, we've barely gotten any time to really chill and go out. And any time that we do have, I'm like at home sleeping. So I haven't really experienced any of these stuff
I
yet.
got a message from a school senior, and like I was a baby at that point of time. So they used to treat me like a baby, and now I'm getting kind of creeped out because I still look at them as my school senior, and it's kind of like, oh, we have never spoken except for one music competition that happened in school. Oh, we should hang. I'm coming to Bombay. I'm like, you are firstly a grandpa in comparison because I was a child at that point of time, and now suddenly the tables are turned. We have never hung out. What are we going to talk about?
I mean, honestly, if you guys are going to sing like Lazeez with so much fucking oomph and be like, listen, bitch, you want to fucking taste? 'Cause I'm Lazeez," they're going to be like, hey, can we hang? Can we
I would like to taste this Lazeez.
Yeah, you made it sound so good. I was like, what's going on?
Now it's like, yeah, everyone wants a bite, but like, the time is done. Like, you know. But sorry.
Eye contact. Remember, we learned something.
But I was gonna say, since you don't go out much and there's no drama in your life apart from Facebook messages, let's create some drama. Boink, marry, kill.
Arman Malik, Anuv Jain, and Pratik Kuhar.
Boink Arman Malik, marry Anup Jain, kill Pratik Kuhar.
Stole my answer.
No explanation was needed.
I
The women were too stunned to speak.
I'm so gonna explain only.
Yeah, explain.
I think mine would be the same. Boink. Arman Malik, marry Anuv Jain, kill Pratik.
She seems
No
like
one
she's
likes
like
it.
tortured.
Traumatized, yeah.
She's really the
It's
torture.
not actually happening.
Yeah, I
huh?
know. Just everyone calm
just
down.
relax.
I'm just repeating what my sister just said. That's what I do. That's
You'll
what
have the same type, huh?
Yeah.
No,
Musicians.
No. We don't have the same type. We have different
Boink
types.
Anuv Jain and marry Arman Malik and
Everyone's killing Obama's favorite
I'm not going to kill Pratik
Have
Kuhar.
you ever
I
met
could do that
Pratik in
too.
person? I'm gonna get so much shit for saying this, but have you ever met him in person?
No, I've only gotten follows and unfollows at midnight.
Really?
Oh, tell
cut
us
out.
more.
No, it's
Okay.
I actually really like Golmass, so I'm gonna change my answer. So
oh, now she's being diplomatic.
no, I was just repeating what Ria was saying earlier.
I think I would not kill Pratik Kuhar. Poor guy. I would.
So he's always the one who's very.
She's too nice.
I
He's too
would
nice.
probably boink Pratik Kuhar, marry Anuv Jain, and kill Arman Malik.
Oh, no, he's married already, so it's fine.
One PhD later, this rapid fire moves to its
my
next
God.
question. Boink Marry Kill Sanju from Sanju. Ranvijay from Animal and
Kabir from Kabir Singh.
Okay, I would kill Ranvijay from Animal.
Yes.
I would boink Kabir Singh, and I would marry Sanju. Because I don't know who he is and I have not seen the movie.
No, man.
You're gonna
no.
marry someone who don't know.
It's better than the other two options. Who is Sanju? though?
Sanju is Ranbir Kapoor playing Sanjay Dutt in his movie about his life.
Biopic. But fiction. Because please. please, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
Okay, maybe Boeing Ranvijay, marry Kabir Singh, and kill Sanju.
Okay.
Okay.
I would.
This is random, super random.
I would boink Kabir Singh and kill Ranvijay and marry
Sanju.
Everyone's so confused.
Switching it up.
Yeah. Wow, your tastes don't go together at all. I
Sorry.
wanna-
It's fine.
Shraddha
Honestly,
Kapoor or Tara Sutaria, the Better Wish member.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Shraddha
We know,
Kapoor.
Tara Sutaria, like we met her before, and she's a singer. Oh yeah, they're both.
I feel
I forgot. for a second.
Shraddha
I would
Kapoor,
say
but
Shraddha Kapoor too.
but Tara Sutaria has the potential, but
मुझे
Shraddha has this
जानना
crazy.
जानना ही नहीं.
Cut.
Tara Sutaria would be.
Shraddha
yeah.
Kapoor.
Yeah.
So 3-1. Shraddha to Tara.
Shraddha, if you're watching.
Sorry, Tara.
Shraddha.
Who is the better Wish member? Diljit Dosanjh or Badshah?
Diljit Dosanjh.
Diljit.
Love
Only
it.
for you, Nana.
Shut
Nana.
Nice.
Nana. I'm obsessed with Nana.
Yeah, same.
I'm obsessed with Nana.
I just don't have the courage to DM him.
Do
make
it.
that
do
happened
it.
for you.
Do it
Guys,
right
it
now.
happen
this
on
is
the
the
on my
official
fake phone.
petition. Can we message Diljit Dosanjh collectively to tell them that Naina is a big fan and she's what did you say? मैं आ रही तेरी विच नाल.
मैं आर्या सी.
मैं आ रही नैना आ रही सी तेरे विच नाल दिलजीत.
No Punjabi was spoken in that entire reel.
Marry Diljit.
Okay, if you were marooned on an island with another Wish member, who would that person be? Breaking the band. Breaking the band.
I would choose Sachi.
Obvious answer.
Choose Zoe.
Sisters.
Okay, so
That
no
was
one's
too-
alone. That's too. I wouldn't choose Naina. If I had to be on an island with one
I would
other
leave her to
Moscow.
die. I would gladly take the boat and run in the
Naina would get too busy with one plank. She would keep perfecting it. I would build a wonky raft and bounce, and she'd be like, "इसने good job नहीं किया."
Wow.
Okay, you're getting a call.
Hello. Oh, this segment is going nowhere. Okay. I'm going to hand it to Sakshi because she knows what to do.
Hello. Yeah, you got to know the Wish girls individually and you enjoyed the episode. We don't have to hold them hostage anymore. We can leave. Okay, they can leave. They have another event to go to, guys. Okay. But we can't leave y'all till y'all don't convince at least 2 people to subscribe to the channel. So if y'all could please, I really want to leave y'all, but
All of you guys, not just 2, have to subscribe to the channel. Moss.
Moment of Silence Pod.
Moment of Silence Pod.
Silence Pod.
And
Go
subscribe to
like
Wish.
this video.
And subscribe to Wish.
And hear their latest songs.
Lazeez and Galti.
And
And
therapy is
therapy.
out as well. We've shot this before. Yeah, sorry. We don't have time. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. See you next
And
Friday.
Diljit Dosanjh, please hit up Naina.
Bye.
Before we cut.
Oh, we also.
Before we cut.
I wanted to add that these guys made really cute tops for us.
Yeah.
Better late than never, I would say.
Is the sweetest to put her time and effort, and I think you all slept at what, 4?
We
Yeah.
lied.
But
We
Oh.
slept.
And it's so
We
cute.
wanted
we
to
love it.
we wanted to ask you, since you are such talented musicians and we'll never get you for free again, can you please make us a little moment of silence jingle? Like if you could just sing
We'll
moment
give
of
you all a beat.
silence,
Okay.
but like in a harmony.
Captive.
We really have to nail this, guys.
Or what if you
Moss
just sing
pod,
moment
yeah.
of sigh and then we do the
हमें
the end.
चलेगा.
We like it. We really like it.
हमारी तरफ से हाँ.
Up India.
Just do moment of silence, and then I'll say podcast.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That one
can
was
all-
missing. I heard.
The pod.
So I'll just extend the last note and then
Yeah.
y'all can.
Yeah.
Moment of silence.
Podcast.
Drops every Friday.
5 p.m.
Thanks, guys.
Vibes.
Thank you so much.
Yay. Vibes.
What a vibe, guys.
Thank you so for doing this. Everyone.